Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today we are sending our fly die pellet machine to India. As you can see, this is the complete unit of our fly die pellet machines. It will include the main pellet machine, the automatic lubrication pump, the electric control panel, and the repair tools and some extra spare parts. Our fly die pellet machine is a kind of multifunctional machine. It can press biomass wood pellet, straw pellet. It also can be used for animal feed pellet making and also fertilizer pellet. This pellet machine will fit with a 37 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for wood pellet making is 400 to 500 kilograms per hour. For animal feed and fertilizer pellet making, the capacity is 800 to 1000 kilograms per hour. The main shaft for this machine, we have an extra automatic lubrication system. It can lubrication the main shaft bearings. And inside the pellet machine, we have two rollers, and the roller which is rotation and die fixed. This electric motor will fit with 420 volts, suitable for India electric requirement. Here you can see this is the electric control panel, which we fit with an extra frequency speed device. And this system can control the fitting speed of the screw conveyors or belt conveyors. And inside of this electric panel, you also can see all these electric components. We use a good quality, the top brand trained electric components. As you can see, this pellet machine also will fit with a heavy industry gearbox, which can be a very longer lifetime use. And over here, here is an repair tools, which is a special one to replace the roller and fly die. And over here, you can see that we also fit with different compressor ratio fly die, which with 8 millimeters and 10 millimeters, and also a roller example, easy for you to replace the spare parts, and also the wearing part for this kind of roller shell. And our fly die pellet machine is a good quality, high efficiency, longer lifetime use. If you like our fly die pellet machines, please send your inquiry to our Longzhe team. Okay, that's all for today's introduction about Longzhe fly die pellet machine. If you have any interest, send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye.